Hey YouTube, this is a 2021 Ford F-150 and we're about to do its first cabin filter swap. We have this Bosch filter, it's number 6081C. I'm going to show you how to put it in. Start by opening the glove box. I've already emptied it out to make it easier. And there is no dampener, it just kind of flops down, so you don't have to take that out. You just push these two tabs in, it comes down, and then you just pull it out. The hinges on the bottom, they kind of just snap into place. And this gives you access to the filter, which is behind this plate. So I'll get this over here, hop in, then in here, you don't really need any tools. You just gotta undo these two tabs. So I'll get one. There's that one. And then on the other side, get in there. There we go. There we go. Take this out. It has two tabs that go into the bottom to hold it on the lower part. And there's the filter. And if you can see it, it's a little dark. It actually has some leaves in there. So you'll want to be sure that those don't fall under the filter and get into the fan, because that could make some noise. Be a bother every time you turn your fan on. So now you just take it out carefully. And this is my first time seeing this. Let's check it out. So it's not terrible. Definitely has some crud, but at least the mice haven't gotten to it. I've seen that in a lot of cars. So once I throw that out, I'll put the new one in. So here's the new one out of the box. It has an airflow direction. You want to make sure that's pointing down. It has these tabs on the side. Looks like the old one had them folded up, so I'll do the same with this. And I'll let you know when it's in. So I needed two hands to get it started, but now I can just slide it in. There we go. So the new filter is in. Now we just put everything back. We do have some wiring in the way, so you want to be careful with that. You just gotta line up the tabs on here to get this door on. One and the other. Now it just snaps back on, and you're ready to put the glove box back. Line up the three hinges on the bottom. And there you go, all done. So typically, people will want to change these around 20 to 30,000 miles. This truck is at 27,000, so it was good timing. And this could save you around 25 bucks every time you install it. And a good practice when you're finished is to make sure that when you turn on the AC and the heat, that it doesn't make any clicking noise. So then you're sure that no particles fell down into the fan. And then you're good to go.